Do you want to delete a YouTube video? We're here to help. I'm Ramona, and in this video, I will show you how to delete a YouTube video. Let's not waste time and get started. Go to YouTube and sign in to your YouTube account. Click on your profile picture on the top right side next to the bell icon. Then select YouTube Studio. Click on Content underneath the dashboard. This will open all videos you have uploaded to YouTube. Locate the video that you want to delete. Now click on the three dots, select Delete Forever. Check this box, and then click on Delete Forever. That's all. You have successfully deleted your YouTube video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. For more useful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. I'll see you there.